In this video, I'm going to show you how to use TurboLearn AI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is go ahead and create an account if you haven't. So go to turbo.ai and go ahead and click on get started. It's free. So just go and sign up or sign in. Then after that, you're going to be taken to turbo.ai/dashboard. Now this is where we can go ahead and create a blank document, start from scratch. We can record, upload audio, document upload, so we can upload any PDF doc, PPT, etc., or even a YouTube video, so you can paste a YouTube link inside of here. So for example, if I want to go ahead and upload a document, I'm just going to go ahead and click on upload document. We can drag files into here, make sure they are PDF doc or PowerPoint presentations. And from here, so if I want to go ahead and upload this resume, I'm going to go ahead and double click onto that. And now that's going to upload into turbo.ai. Now it's going to go ahead and create my notes from this PDF. Now the AI processes the content, extracts key ideas, summaries, headings, even bullet points. Now for audio video, a transcript may be generated and then structured into notes. Now, once it does this, we can basically, from our generated notes, you can automatically get flashcards, questionnaire style for review. You can also generate quizzes with multiple choice questions tailored to your content. And then they're going to have a AI chat box on the right here for questions and answers. So you can ask questions about uploaded processed materials. For example, explain this concept for my lecture. And then the AI gives contextual answers. You can also review the notes, flashcards, and quizzes regularly to boost retention. Export your materials in preferred PDX, docx, etc., and share with others if needed. So yeah, now this is loaded, we can see the quizzes here, which is the most popular. You can listen to your notes here and also ask them questions here, so I can work with you on your doc and answer any question. And then if you want to go ahead and review, export, and share, we've got the share button on the top right. So we can go ahead and share this document. And now we need to go ahead and give access, so only collaborators with access. We can change this with anyone with the link can view, anyone with the link can edit, so you can change that. We can also add people by email into here. So now on the left, we've got these different tabs. So we've got the chat box here. So this is where we can highlight any text in the PDF to open and explain or chat options. Also, we've got the podcast options here where we can listen to your notes and bring them to life. Now we've also got these flashcards tab. So these are basically self-explanatory. Then below that, we've also got the quizzes. So we can have a look at the quizzes inside of here. And then also the transcript